In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use PayPal One Touch feature. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you're going to do is go to paypal.com and log in into your email and password. Make sure that your account is verified and in good standings. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and go to the settings, which is going to be the gear icon, and select One Touch. Now, simply go ahead and turn it on and confirm your device is prompted. Add a card or bank account and set your preferred payment method. This will be used for One Touch payments. You can look for the PayPal button at checkout. If you see PayPal with One Touch, you're all set. All you need to do is add items to your cart and then go to checkout. Click the PayPal button. If One Touch is available, you see One Touch option to pay faster. All you need to do is review your order details. Click on Pay Now with One Touch and authenticate if needed. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.